Hi, I'm Jeff Vogel. I'm president and founder of RetireWise Tax and Wealth Advisors here in Topeka. And here it is. It's the first of the year. And I know a number of you are taking a look at retirement, and it always seems to happen here at the first of the year. And so along with that comes a lot of questions that I'm sure that you have. For example, where's my income going to come from? You have a pension plan, so what's the best way for you to take that pension plan? Is it lump sum, or is it going to be, I'm going to take it in income? Well, you have choices to make there. Social Security, when's the best time for you to turn on your Social Security and your spouse's Social Security if you're married? And taxes, how is all this going to be taxed here now in retirement? Taxes are different in retirement, I can assure you of that. We're going to talk about all those things in a workshop that we've put together just for employees who are retiring. Hope you can come, because we're going to follow it with dinner. And the dinner is really designed for you to have questions and get them answered that evening in a workshop format. So hope you can come. We want to see if we can be of value to you, be of benefit. Over the years, we've helped a number of people retire successfully from some of the larger companies in the area. And I believe we can help you too.